also of getting a little trailer, man, it's really a beautiful thing, man. If you flip houses and you're flipping more than three houses a quarter, right now I got 8 projects going, 3 on the market. There's always trash. There was a time I paid a guy $1,800 for 1 week of using his dumpster. That's when I said enough is enough. So just want to share with you guys a little bit about how I run my stuff. I got a dumpster that has enough to do pretty much everything on it. This dumpster has locking pins to basically open up at the dump site because it is an auto lift. Basically, it just hydraulically lifts up and dumps out, so I don't have to worry about it. Another big thing is this right here, this cover. It's got snow all on it, but basically I don't have to put a tarp over there in the state of Ohio, which is where I'm at, where I'm currently flipping. I live between Ohio and California and wherever else I want to live in this world. Here you have to cover up, and you should cover up anywhere, no matter where you're at, just so debris doesn't fall over the road. This one has a gravel, so a lot of the times I buy houses and there's just nothing but mud in the back, especially if it's a property that I'm gonna have as a rental. I can go get gravel, and I can use this feature along with the chains, and it will just basically crack this open so that way I can back up, lift this thing up, and let the gravel slowly kind of go out, creating a little driveway. So I do that as well. I got double axle on this one here, but what I'll probably end up doing is putting a rent me sign on here, so that way I can rent it out to $225 a load. That way I can help offset the cost of the truck and the trailer. That way they pay for itself for free. That, along with using here in Ohio, they have what's called Speedway. So with Speedway, you can get points. You can use those points to pay for gas. And the cool thing about Speedway is you can actually buy Home Depot gift cards from Speedway and get points. So if I buy Home Depot gift cards, which I pay $500 to $1,500 a day at Home Depot because I pay for my own material, I can also get points. With those points, I run this for free fuel, so I don't have to worry about fuel. So the other thing that I do is I actually have a little tracking device. I'll show you guys. So what I do is I put a chain on, just security-wise. I put a chain on the tires, put a lock on the spare tire. I lock up my hydraulic box. I put a lock on my actual hitch, and then I have this tracking device right here that I use. And so right now I'm actually transporting. So what I do is I can charge. I have an external charging device here, and I can just hook up the tracking device while I'm transporting it. Like I'm going to the dump right now. I'm going to stop, make my rounds at a few other properties, and so while I'm making my rounds, I'll let it charge up, and that'll keep it good for like 3 to 4 weeks. But while I'm transporting it, I charge it up. So that's the trailer. Just want to show you guys real quick, man. It's a good little hustle, man. Good little hustle. Helps your business out, saves thousands of dollars. Definitely recommend it.